Hey guys, James Hannan here from Rise Social Media, where we help you to market and sell your products online. Today we're talking about how do you change the background on your Zoom meeting or webinar, or how do you use the virtual background on your Zoom meeting or webinar. So stay tuned. If you like the idea of learning this stuff, then make sure you click like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. That'll let you know every time you'll get a notification that we produce a brand new video for YouTube. Anyway, let's get into how you change the background. Okay, let's look at how you change the background or put a virtual background in your Zoom meeting or Zoom webinar. So what I've done here is I've opened up the Zoom application. I'm on a Mac, and so I've opened up the Zoom application. It will be the same or very, very similar if you're on a PC. So I click on here, I come up here to Zoom, and I click on Preferences. Very, very simple. I come down here on Preferences and I come to Virtual Background. Now you'll see here that you've got some basic backgrounds. You've got San Francisco backdrop. You've got the grass, if you want to sort of like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids kind of look. If you're looking for the earth and you want to do, hey, I'm floating in space, look at me. You've got that there. But also now these are a couple of cool things that Zoom has brought in, where you can do a video background. Now this is brand new. So if we click here, now we click on here, we click this, and watch what happens. Now my background is actually moving. I have a video background. How cool is that? Or I want to go to the beach. So I'm down the beach, guys, chilling out. I'm not in my office. And one of the great things about using a background is that people can't see the mess behind you. So if you don't want people to know behind you, Zoom does an okay job at trimming your outline. Now you can see my head looks kind of very shaved and shaped, which is different. You could also have a green screen, which makes it even better, but I don't have a green screen behind me. And now mirroring my video just changes it this way. A very, very cool way of making sure the words are seen the correct way. I love this backdrop, so I'm going to leave it here. And now what happens is that when I start a new meeting, so if I come here and I go new meeting, it's already there in my backdrop. So let's say here we'll create a new meeting, but let's say I'm in the meeting or I'm in my webinar and I want to change my backdrop. I come down here, I click this up arrow, and you'll see choose video background. I click on that. Now I can either go back to San Francisco, which is a still background. Let's have a look what that looks like. Okay, or I can come back in here and go Northern Lights. Oh, I love the Northern Lights. I got to see them once. And now you can see here that it doesn't actually look great on the edges. So, but you know what? It's a free application or a free option or a very cheap option. So, you know, you get to have some fun and bring some very different look to your Zoom webinar or Zoom meeting. So why not give it a go for your next one? Now, here's the thing with the backdrops though. You do need a higher performing laptop or PC. I used to have a MacBook Air. It was only 2 years old and it did not work with the MacBook Air. So you may need a better laptop or computer to make it work for you. Just be aware of that. However, it is a great function and I quite enjoy doing it for a little bit of fun. You can go online onto Google and type in virtual backgrounds. I have uploaded, so if I want to use a different, if I want to use a different background, I click here and I want to upload something. I can come here, click on this add image or video. Let's go with an image because I don't have any videos ready. Come back to my desktop, Zoom background, and let's go with John Wick. I found a couple of these online and now I love John Wick, Keanu Reeves, so we've got a little bit of a background there. Let's go with something different. Let's go, Maverick, Top Gun, hallelujah. Yep, now I'm in the cockpit. Again, let's try something else. Ron Swanson, now I'm in my office, how cool, chilling out, yeah, but guys, or Bethesda, which is a little bit of a game. I guess. I don't know the Bethesda background. I just thought it looked cool and downloaded it here. Now, again, guys, you can mirror it if you're worried about wording if that you have in your background. That's what the mirror functioning is for. So that is how you change or use the virtual background in your Zoom webinar or Zoom meeting. Make sure that you like this video. If you liked it, click subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you receive a notification every time we produce a brand new video for YouTube. Go ahead, try virtual backgrounds for your next Zoom meeting. Have some fun, shock your boss, and see how you go. God bless. Bye.